Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same tile again. If you wish to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!